Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. I have a beautiful beginner-friendly install. This install is for the person who's never worn a glueless wig. Stick around for all the details about today's wig and install. I'm going to show you guys how to put it on. There are some people that don't even know how to do that. Give a warm welcome back to Unice Hair. They are today's sponsor and I love Unice. We have been collaborating for many years now, and every single time I collaborate with them, I'm always blown away. A 24-inch 7x5 bye-bye knots, pre-plucked, pre-cut, glueless straight wig. This is in the density 150%. It's so beautiful. I'm saying 24-inch, but she's giving a little bit longer. So welcome back. We are in my new studio, so I'm super excited about that. This is the new house. I know it looks exactly the same, but believe me, it's not. The wig also came with the tape, so you can actually secure it with tape. You're gonna take a piece, you split it. So I'm gonna put it right there, press it in. And I'm gonna put one more on the other side. So you just peel off the white tape and then it's like that. Be careful not to touch it too much. You don't wanna lose the sticky. Okay, and I'm going to put it about a ½ inch away from the top of the lasso like that. So the knots are giving, ooh, it's giving. I want to put a little bit of lace to it. It doesn't really need it, but I think it's just going to enhance the wig and make it look the most realistic. I'm using the canceled brand. Child, everybody's getting canceled every day. I can't keep up. Anywhere that I might have the tape, I'm just going to remove the makeup or glue because we don't want any problems. We don't want no problems. Don't come from my forehead, my hairline. Okay, and the second thing we're gonna do is adjust the band. When I'm wearing her glueless, you definitely want to tighten that up and also adjust the straps. Very simple. This is very beginner friendly. How you apply your wig. You take it and you want to apply it from this way back. So the front of the lace has to be the front of your face. Okay, so you'll take it and then put it on your forehead. So you'll hold the band and you're gonna put the band behind your hair. So taking it, putting the band behind, okay? This is for beginners. I'm gonna keep the band right about here. I'm tucking my ponytail in because it doesn't really matter. You don't have to wear a ball cap. These little hairs, you can just grab a little brush and brush them. I find it's easiest if you remove it with a little tweezer, okay? So once you have it where you want it, you just stick it down. See there? And then you're gonna rub it in. because you want to blend the glue, like mesh it in with your hair. Better to be safe than sorry. Okay, we're gonna flip the wig back. only remove the paper. This is what I like to do because it comes with a little bit too much lace for my liking. I like to go in and remove some extra lace. I love that this wig comes ready to wear. That's just gonna make it look even more realistic. Guys, do we see how beautiful this wig is? And look, it's stuck. If you don't like spraying products and that brand is technically canceled right now, you can just use the little tape. So you can find these kind of tapes on Amazon as well. They're similar to the tape that they use for tape and extensions. I am gonna straighten her because y'all know I like my wigs bone straight. Their wigs are pretty silky anyway, so it doesn't need a whole lot. And I'm not noticing really any flyaways or anything like that, so love. Okay, this is the side straighten and this is it not straighten. Still looks really good. Look at that. Guys, usually I put powder on the hairline and I really don't think I need to. Let me see what it looks like with some powder. Because she's already giving, but let's see. It's looking good, but it's looking a little light now. So what I like to do is go in with some hairspray and then seal that in. So I don't want to hear anyone tell me they can't install a wig because literally you could do it with your eyes closed. I love everything about this wig. There's absolutely nothing that I do not love. Like, what? Like, it's beautiful, y'all. Very natural hairline. Beautiful. Look at the hair. Guys, go get you one. That's how easy this was. Super beginner friendly. I love it so much, and the density, it's perfect. Looks really good. It looks the same because it's the same backdrop. I just changed those two things. I might change some more things in the future, but I actually got new shelves. They look the same, but they're new because the other one was like wonky. Anyways, guys, this is not that video. I promise. A video like that is coming where I'm going to show you guys some ins and outs and spend the day with me. That's what I'm going to do because it's not really my style to like boast and like to show off, to stunt. But what I can do is show you guys like a spend the day with me, and with doing that, you might be able to see aspects of my home that, you know, I did to make it unique for us and special for my husband and I. So I'm really excited about that. I hope you guys look out for that. That's probably gonna come next month or a month and a half from now. I'm getting there. We're working on the little details that will really make it 100% a home. Almost ear to ear. It's just a couple inches here that's not lace. Pull her back and you can see that it looks like a frontal, and I did secure her with the tape today. she's not going anywhere. I didn't put any here because you don't need it. It does fit really nicely glueless. You don't even have to secure it with a tape, but because they gave me the tape, I wanted to be extra and use it. You can use the tape or you can use just the band. There's tons of options, which makes this so versatile, and it basically is for everyone. It came like this, and that's how I wanted to leave it, and I am super impressed yet again. The smell, there's absolutely no smell. I really can't smell anything. I think it's just really nice quality. Feels good, looks good. I'm really impressed. I love it. I'm gonna give this wig a 10 out of 10. There's nothing that I would change about it. It fits really nice along the hairline here, and the pre-plucking looks really good. Definitely recommend you guys go check it out. This wig is most definitely caviarkezzy approved. If you guys want to purchase this wig, I'm gonna link it in the description box below. I think it's gonna be down here. Don't forget to check that out before you go. Leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful. Leave me a comment and let me know if this is something that you might try at home. Anyways guys, I gotta go. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye.